Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech 360. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome high memory RAM uses on Windows. So for that, at first you need to just go to your Chrome browser, and in your Chrome browser you need to just go to your task manager. Now from here you need to just end the task process which is not needed right now. Just like click on it, click on a task like this, and here you can see this option end process. Click on it. Now the other thing you can do is just go to the three dot icon and go to your settings. Now in the left side go to system. In the down click on system, and here you can see the first option is continue running background apps. Just toggle this off. You need to make sure that it is off, and after that your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can fix the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.